Hello and welcome to the Null Security X YouTube channel. Today we'll be covering LFI to RCE PHP code to access log injection. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video, it really helps. At the very start we see a text document with some notes. It tells us the Apache access log path and shows a curl command for injecting PHP into that log. The notes read default access log on Apache 2. Log Apache 2 access.log and demonstrate a payload like curl sx get http://localpun 0byte d/evil pre equals php pass-through $get cmd. So the plan is to exploit an LFI to write arbitrary PHP code into the access log. Next we open a browser and navigate to localpun 0byte d, a vulnerable demo site. As we click through links we notice the page equals parameter in the URL changes. In the code it's used as include $getPaid, so we test it by setting page equals ////passwd. The server prints the contents of /etc/passwd, confirming an LFI vulnerability. To achieve code execution, we leverage log poisoning. We first request page equals ///log apache 2 access.log and see the raw access log. However, to execute our payload, we must pass a CMD parameter, otherwise the code complains about an undefined index. In a terminal, we craft a curl request that sends a GET request with our PHP payload, such as PHP pass-through $get cmd, embedded in the header. Once this request hits the server, our code is written into the log. We then call the LFI again with page equals ///log apache 2 access log and cmd equals cat%20/etc/passwd, and the /etc/passwd file appears on the page. Next we try cmd equals id and cmd equals unaim%20a to retrieve the process user and kernel version. The output proves our code executed on the target. Wanting a persistent shell, we fetch a PHP backdoor from passwd called 0byte3m1n1 shell. Using a helper script named LFI to RCE, we supply the name heckerer PHP for the new file and the raw passwd URL as the source. The script injects the log with code that downloads this backdoor, and when executed via LFI, it writes the file into the web directory. Back in the browser, we run lslaw through the LFI interface and see that heckerer PHP now exists in /var/www/html/hackmyself/LFI. Navigating to that file gives us the 0byte3m1n1 web shell. A file manager showing names, sizes, permissions, timestamps, and even an upload option. We've turned a simple file inclusion bug into full remote code execution and file management. Finally, the video returns to the initial note document, now updated with success, and a thank you message summarizing what we achieved, and that's the end of the demo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Happy hacking and stay safe.